In this video, we're going to be talking about what are slums. Now, the definition of a slum is an overcrowded urban area or district with poor, lower social class residents. That means that the people living in these areas don't have a lot of money to support their needs like water, food, or even education for their own children. There are two different types of slums. There's notified slums and non-notified slums. In notified slums, homeowners can usually afford investment in education and work. And in non-notified slums, that is not the case. Homeowners are usually unconnected with basic infrastructure and services, and this is usually where poor residents reside. Children in these areas don't usually have it easy, since they start their lives in poverty without any education or sanitation. They have to act more grown faster also than any children their age. And the children are also faced with hunger and many diseases that can't, unfortunately, be tended right away since their parents don't have the money to do so. There's many dangers that come along with slums. This is mainly because the houses are usually built where they're crammed into one small space and cause floods, waterlogging, fires, and diseases to increase. This is also because there's such high population densities in such small areas. Economically wise, slums have a very negative impact on a country's economy. This is because they cause environmental degradations and they represent the mixture of socio-economic and environmental dilemmas and problems of urbanization. Houses found in slums are usually made out of materials such as cardboard and plastic. The floors are also made out of dirt, and they usually lack in water or sewage systems or even electricity. Slums are usually located near railroad tracks. This is because it gives people an easier access to land with better sanitation, and the trains also provide better transportation for them. Slums are also found in steep slopes because they are unwanted in communities and the land laws are less severe there. This also explains why they're mainly crime and antisocial behavioral areas. Quick fun fact, slums are also categorized as squatter settlements. This is because their consequences are the exact same. These include increased unemployment rates and more pollution. These two things lead to a negative impact on the country's reputation and GDP. And that concludes our video. Hope you enjoyed.